supercell thunder. Find something downtown, close to down, near the airport. So, guys, you might want to try to find something near Galloway and look back toward the south and west. Pretty efficient rainmakers, some strong wind gusts here downtown. Here we are. We're awfully close to it, the main area of concern, and it's going to take a track to the northeast.
Hold on. About to go downstairs and get into the little position. Morning after. Missed the tornadoes, but we got the flooding. Still have 6 to 8 inches of rainwater to go today.
In the middle of the road. Martin Elvin said, "Nobody's judging you."